In this video, we'll be learning how to easily download and install Epson L3215 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to open up your Google Chrome, and here at the search bar, please type for Epson L3215 printer driver. Once done typing, hit the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you will be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the first one, click on this link, and eventually you would be navigated to the page where you get to see or where you can get to see the printer driver, which is the L3215 under Epson. Once you are here, please click on this downloads being placed at the side to refresh the page, and wait until you can see a drop down menu where you can manually select your OS or your operating system. So it says here Windows 10 64-bit has been detected. So click on this down arrow key and check if the Windows 11 operating system is available for this printer driver. If not, then don't worry because Windows 10 64-bit works well for Windows 11. So by here, just have to scroll down and navigate to the drivers. Click on this one, and you need to proceed to the printer driver and click on this download. And eventually a new window would be opening up or a new tab will be opened where here it asks you to agree on the license agreement. Just click on accept, and in that way you can now start the downloading process. So once the downloading process has been completed, or once this file has been downloaded, please navigate here at the top right corner. You can see there a download icon. Click on this one, and here you would be able to see the downloaded file. So click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Okay, so here please make a right click and click on the cut icon. Once done, close all of the windows being opened, and here at the desktop, please make a right click and click on paste. So once you have pasted the file here, you can double tap to unzip or extract it, or either you can make a right click while selecting this file and use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So click on extract to and kindly wait until this would be finished. Okay, so once a new file folder has been created, that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Then this is the time that we will now start the installation. So by that, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Okay, so here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane where you can see a list of the option, and please navigate to this option called Bluetooth and devices. So please click on this Bluetooth and devices. The moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to bring up this kind of window. Please proceed with printers and scanners. Click on it. And here you need to navigate to this option called Add Device. And wait until you can get an option where you can manually select or manually add the printer driver. So please proceed. Once it's here, click on this one. And please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key. So here at the choose a printer port, this is a very important part because when selecting the printer port or a printer port, you need to select either of these three, no other than that. So it could be 001, 2, or 3, okay? So bear that in mind, please. And then click on next once you have set it and go with have disk and you need to go with browse. And since our extracted file has been tapped, then we need to navigate there. And here, scroll down, proceed to the extracted file, double tapped. double tap once again, just double tap until you can get to see the printer driver. So let me just navigate again to that specific location since I have accidentally opened the setup. So eventually you would be able to see this three drivers. Select any of this, any with these three functions similarly. So click on OK and it will be placed here. Please click on next and then you need to rename that into Epson L3215 and then click on the next and it will now start the installation. Please wait until this would be finished. Okay, so once done, please click on next. Click on finished and there you have it. You have just successfully installed the Epson L3215 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day.